थाने की रिक्शा, चेहरे पे दाढ़ी, आंखों में चश्मा, हाय।
It is not a mature way to handle an insult. Tod karna is not the way.
All of this was satire. All of this was done as a performance. It wasn't done to hurt anybody. And as he mentioned that if a political party does it, they are let go. They aren't even brought back on it.
I personally feel that it's quite went over the top. There was really no need to vandalize or ransack that whole place.
Stand-up comedian Kunal Kamra is no stranger to controversies. Viewers, till now you might have heard about the political controversy surrounding stand-up comedian Kunal Kamra, in which he performed a parody song titled Thane Ki Ricksha. He took a jibe against Eknath Shinde, who is the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister. In his song, he termed Shinde as Gaddar or a traitor. Soon after that, Shinde supporters ransacked and vandalized the Habitat studio in which the whole stand-up comedy performance was recorded. A political slugfest erupted soon after that. The issue was also raised in the Maharashtra Assembly, in which CM Devendra Fadnavis told that freedom of speech and expression is welcome, but recklessness won't be tolerated. Maharashtra CM Devendra Fadnavis urged Kunal Kamra to apologize. However, Kamra has refused to apologize. Now, Thane is at the focal point of this whole controversy. Thane, being the home turf and bastion of Eknath Shinde, let's understand what do Thanekars feel about the whole controversy. You might have heard about the song Thane Ki Ricksha. What do you think? Is this an insult towards Eknath Shinde?
We can't say it is an insult because
We don't know their intentions though.
yeah, and
But it must be just their fun part कि मतलब वो लोग मस्ती मजा करने के लिए गाना बना रहे हैं. But having said that, making fun of somebody in the song also is not right.
and yeah, stand-up comedy is to make fun of things, fun of people in a friendly way, not in a like they are insulting them, they are assaulting them in a defensive way. It is not like that. It is a just friendly insult. It is not a mature way to handle an insult. Tod karna is not the way. Yeah.
So do you
Non-violence, he could have chose non-violence.
The leaders who are leading the country should really focus on different problems like rape, murders, such problems, rather than focusing on stand-up comedy, rather than focusing on comments passed on such leaders. Their main priority is to protect the interest of people, and those people are getting raped, those people are getting murdered, and it is not justified that they are not focusing on such problems, such huge problems.
Honestly, I would say like there is somewhat of an insult, but at the same time, stand-up comedy is somewhere based along insulting someone at the same time. So yeah, like what happened afterwards was wrong entirely. Like coming to freedom of speech, like we have a right of freedom of speech, we can say whatever we want, but we also have the duty at the same time. I think that's one of the basic things we are taught in school and civics is while having rights you also have duties. You have to make sure you're not hurting anybody personally or hurting their emotions. So yeah, it does not justify the outcome that happened of the vandalism at Habitat, but yeah, like people having somewhat of an outrage is justified, but not at such a high level.
Now the Zena supporters have ransacked the whole studio.
Okay.
Do you think freedom of speech and expression is under attack?
Under attack.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say that it is under attack because yeah, end of the day, it's stand-up. Okay, it is going to hurt somebody at some level. Stand-up is like in recent times, stand-up has come to a point where it is not. I wouldn't say it's mostly about insulting people, but you do come to people and you do target people. Is it right to go political? No. Is it like that was obvious that if you go political, you're going to get backlash. Of course, they shouldn't have like ransacked the whole studio. That isn't the way to deal with problems. That is just fire with fire. That's even you're gonna get burned.
Somewhere deep down we are losing ourselves as a democracy as well, to be very honest, when it comes to politically speaking, because democracy is made to be criticized. and made fun of so we can improve ourselves as a nation.
Most definitely, because I believe political parties, if they subdue somebody with a bigger face, it's easier for them to resolve an issue which public think is an issue, but it actually isn't. Like even with the Samar Raina case, all those statements were made which were quite serious. It should be taken as a joke. If it's meant as a joke, which people knew it was a joke, so rather than doing something which would cost them money or let's say time and efforts to put in and solve proper cases, it's easier for them to subdue people and people of higher power or fame and reach, because political people have their own population and people who support them. But then if they subdue somebody with a much higher visibility, it affects their viewers as well. So it overall increases their presence in the whole political market.
अरे कामरा तुम जो कलाकार रहो, पर ये बात मत करो कि एकनाथ शिंदे साहब के ऊपर गाना बनाते हो। हम एक ही कहना चाहते हैं, कामरा जी आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों से माफ़ी मांगिए।
I personally feel that it's quite went over the top. There was really no need to vandalize or ransack that whole place.